Okay everyone, so what we have here is a shower stall, a pretty grimy shower stall. We got lots of black things growing on it. It's pretty disgusting. Black things, red, orange things. I don't know. It's pretty bad. It was like this when I got here, for the most part. And now it's time to really go in and try to clean out all the caulk. I was going to try to re-caulk the thing, but I think right now we're going to see if we can actually use a couple of methods found on YouTube to get this caulk looking good without me having to actually do it, because I know once I start pulling it apart, I'm just going to probably pull the whole thing apart. So I'm going to take you in for a closer look to see how it actually is on the inside, so you can gag a little bit, and then we're going to go and clean this thing up. So here, let's take a closer look. Okay, so we're going to go in for a closer look, and you can see it is pretty bad. When I got this was one of the more disgusting things in here. There's a number of different things, but this is it. So you can see here, we got stuff growing, and we're going to try to take care of that. Like I said, a couple of different methods, but that is down there. That is, that's the money shot. That's what we're going to try to clean up the most. All right, so let's get downstairs and take a look at what we're going to mix up and get going here. Okay, everybody, so we have two methods that we're going to use today to try to clean that stuff out of the shower. Both involve using bleach. The bleach that I got was the non-splash formula. I think any bleach will work. I feel like this is a little bit more viscous, so it's going to kind of hold to the vertical areas a little bit more. Speaking of, both methods require you to basically allow you to get the vertical areas a little bit better. One has you mixing up basically bleach and baking soda to create a paste at which you brush on. You'll let sit for a while, and that should kill and kind of bleach out everything in that area. The other is using paper towels and bleach. Basically, all you do here is you soak the paper towel, kind of stuff it into the cracks, and let it go. Now, in my shower stall, there's like a overhang underneath, which I don't know if the paper towels are going to work as well, because you're going to have to really jam them up in there. But I have a feeling the baking soda and bleach paste will probably work better in that area. So we're going to mix these things up and get to it. Okay, for both these, I'm just going to use the Pyrex containers. It's non-reactive, so it should be okay. So the first one, let's make up the bleach. Non-splash. There you go. It's amazing looking. And we'll pour it. Supposedly, you should wear a respirator when doing this. I don't believe that. So we want is a thicker paste. I don't know what proportion you're doing. I'm just letting this go. This is really, I think just brushing on this stuff would probably work just as good, to be honest with you. Let me get a fork for this. Supposedly you want a pretty good paste. It's pretty grimy in there, so there we go. Look at that. It's getting thicker. It seems like it thickens up relatively quickly. I don't even know what's going on. I probably should know. I have no clue. It's a pretty good paste. I'm going to leave that. Then I'm going to take paper towel. So here, basically what's going to happen is it's going to get rolled up into these strips and in there. So I'm just going to pile these little strips in like this, and let them soak up. I'll do 4 for now. Let me take them out. Interesting. Okay. So that is basically it. I'm going to add a little bit more into this. I don't know. It's kind of goopy as it is. Let's go. I think we want something nice and goopy, which it appears we have here. And this will supposedly do it. I have no clue what I'm doing. Anything is better than what is up there. I think we got it. All right, so let's bring this upstairs and try these out. So the first area I'm going to attack is this under this overhang right there. So I got this one. Well, let's see what happens. This brush right here. I'm just gonna. I should have gloves. I don't have gloves. I bought gloves. They don't fit. So let's see what happens here. And I don't know. Looks like it's doing something. So this is just for the underhang here. I'm gonna come in and get all these seams. All I know is it looks like it's doing something already. So we'll just, I don't know, looks like magic. I'm gonna get pretty much anywhere. Keep coming under here. It seems like it works awesome. And since it's kind of thick, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run up all these seams over here. What's nice about the brush and the paste is you can kind of get it into these areas. And if you start up high, it drips right down into the area. So now the other one has this laying in these paper towels, which are soaked and breaking down. Probably should have gloves, and I don't. Ugh, eyeballs. Oof. Probably should wash my hands after this. All right, well, let's let that sit. So with there, we'll do that, and here, I'm gonna brush this stuff in over the whole seam. As long as I can see when I'm done with this, it'll be great. Freaking face is burning off. It's awesome. I think I'm really digging this brush method. I feel like Dexter or something like that in here. Holy Jesus. No one's coming out of this bathroom alive. Oh man. So you can see, now I'm getting all of over here with the paste. I mean, I don't even know if spray works better. All I know is that this is supposed to sit in, and I mean, it looks like it's doing something. I'll take it. Oh. I might not be able to see after this. Whew. Alright, let's let this sit for a while. I'm getting out of here.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, here we go. This stuff. I think the paper towel for the win. Paper towel for the win. Alright, let's get this out of here. Okay, so let's take a quick look. Got this all cleaned up. And you can see where that paper towel was came out awesome. Paste, not as good, but definitely better than what it was. Go. Paste seems to work well in those cracks. So I can't take away from that. But that paper towel was definitely the way. Though over here did get pretty cleaned up. So, not bad.
All right, everyone. So there you have it. There's 2 different methods of cleaning up disgusting, moldy, mildewy, caulking inside a shower. Paper towels soaked in the bleach seem to have worked better than the paste, but who knows? I don't know how scientific this is. It doesn't really matter. It's a cleaner shower. So, hope everyone enjoyed this. Take it easy.